Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, I will teach you on how to make a text italic style font using Microsoft Word 2007. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. I will double click this shortcut Word 2007 in my desktop. Okay, so let's say we will type a text. Computer science is the study of software development. Just for example. Now, how do we italic this text now? We just highlight using our mouse and then click this icon or control I. By clicking this, we make the text italic. Another example, Bacol. Okay, so once it activated, every time that we type a word, Bacolod City, it becomes italic. Now, if we don't want to have an italic, you just click again and then type Negros Occidental. Again, to make it an italic, science, just highlight the word science and then click this icon, no, the I, italic. Okay guys, so that's simple and easy how to make the text italic in Microsoft Word. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this short video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys. If you are new, by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.